Happy Saturday afternoon. I got the Fairlane all cleaned up. I haven't rubbed it out yet, but man, it's looking good. Looking really nice. This is supposed to have been a car show, but I don't know if everybody already left. 33 Willys. Injected. Really injected. It's not a phony. Nice. Nice color. It looks to be a big block Chevy. Yeah. Nice. C5. I like this Nova. That Nova's looking good. I had a 74 Nova I bought when I got out of the service. It was an SS, real SS, 4-speed car with factory headers on it. That's clean though. An automatic car. There's the Cadillac. '70, I think. Dickie. Dennis, what are you doing? Is this yours? Where'd you park?
I didn't bring my hot rod. I was hanging with the guys. Just got some takeout.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. How was it? Was anybody here?
There was a lot of cars here.
Really?
Yeah, it was huge.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, they were filling up all this stuff here.
I just got that Fairlane cleaned up and running.
You do?
So I have to figure out what it is. It's
You just got it recently?
Just got it. Yeah, this first time out with it.
64.
It's
That's a lot per year.
64. It's not a K code.
289.
289, but it's got a hell of a cam in it.
Automatic?
5-speed.
Cool.
Tremec 5-speed. Yeah, I mean, this is the first time out with it in 5 years. These were part of the cars that I garage find in El Segundo.
Yeah.
But I've got 237s after this. But that Suburban came from that comment I had, that sister to that, the comment. That was his too. And now I got this one for sale. It's a clean little Nova, man. Really nice. I'll see you out there. I had one of these. Get here before the music. Looks good. It's the best year for those. It's really nice one. Little Bronco. With a 5.0 in it. Beach.
Hey, what do you got under the hood?
It's a build 289.
Man, that's my favorite car. And I said if I ever get one, I'm putting a 427, I'm turning that thing into a Thunderbolt.
A Thunderbolt?
Hell yeah.
That's a garage find in El Segundo. First time out in probably 10 years.
God, that's beautiful.
Real Americans on there?
Yeah, I have Real American. I have a 61 Bel Air with Real Americans.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of very correct stuff that is pretty cool on that car. 50,000 miles. This is nice.
That is 1979.
Really? Is it a 2300?
2300.
Yeah, did you?
48 IDAs.
What's on the front end? Is it a, you just drop the torsion bars?
No, I have a selected drop where you turn it and drop
really?
it.
Really?
Yeah, it rides better.
Yeah.
You know, the other ones ride really bad.
So 67?
68.
68.
Yeah.
Now, did the 68 have the big tail lights?
Yeah, it's got bigger tail lights. Not the big ones.
Yeah.
The next gen.
The elephant?
Yeah, I don't care. I told somebody I want the car when I was a kid, so it's got sentimental.
Wind wings.
Yeah, I took all that out. Keller.
Looks clean. Looks clean. Yeah. No, that is.
Hey,
that looks clean.
One-piece power windows.
Oh, wow.
Everybody's all, it's a Volkswagen. It doesn't need power windows.
Yeah. Now, did you drill the axles?
Huh?
Did you drill the hubs for the Porsche wheels?
No. Yeah, I had no adapters.
Okay.
So it's
yeah, these are the only wheels that look good on a California bike, man. It looks good, man.
Take care, brother.
See ya. Then, of course, the 56s are here. Or the 856. Little Mercy brake. Got headers on it. Love the hubcaps. I had a 56 Nomad. 3 in the tree, huh? Wow. Yeah. Nice little 67 fastback. Eleanor Tribute, I guess. 5-speed probably. A little 3 window right here. I think I'm gonna move my car down here. Oh my god. This is a Nova he made into a convertible. I'll keep my thoughts to myself because I don't. There was a Nova convertible, but not in these years. So use a guy from the Cars and Coffee, Hot Rods and Horsetown. You see the gasser over here. It's a beautiful truck. Absolutely, the front end on that, absolutely flawless. He has that 62 Biscayne that was just as nice. Nice El Camino, Steve's El Camino. This looks like Dirty Ernie's old car. Is it? I can tell because he put the starter right here. It's not Dirty Ernie's old car. Big Hemi. Wow. With the wheels sitting up forward. Alter wheelbase. Automatic. That'll be a torque light or power glide. Sweet little thing. That is cool. Let's see. Looks like